Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover sequence. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover sequence. We can create sequence using create sequence name, min value, max value, start with value, increment by value, cache size, cycle or no cycle option. We can get next value from sequence using pseudo column next val. Get current value using pseudo column cur val. We can use next val and cur val pseudo columns in insert statement. And we can drop sequence using drop sequence name. In the next program, I am going to cover identity column. We can use identity column to generate sequence number automatically when records are inserted. Options available are generated always as identity, generated by default as identity, and generated by default on null as identity. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.